Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone. This weekend we're going to go up to the north side of Killarney, Panache Lake, I think that's the name of it, for a couple of days. We'll take you along. It's going to be a real easy one. There's going to be no portaging. There's another nice canoe in. You can carry whatever you want. So it's this ain't roughing it this time. So
no, we're spoiling ourselves with some nice meals.
Yep, and some nice weather.
Yeah, I know, right? For middle of August, it's great.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Take you on. Two people gave me a warning as you indicated you should be doing it.
You feel nervous?
Yeah, they made me a little nervous.
Yeah.
Like I said, worst case scenario is bad. I turn around, I stick it back in the truck, and we go to Sudbury.
And do what?
I don't know.
Okay. At least we have a backup plan.
You ready?
I'm ready when you are. So we're just leaving the Panache Marina. I think Panache is how you say it. We've been warned by two people that it's pretty windy out there, up to 5-meter waves with white caps.
5 feet.
Oh, sorry, 5 feet. Sorry, 5 feet waves with white caps. So we're just going to head out there and hope for the best, really. We may have to turn around, may not. A nice gentleman stopped us and gave us some pointers because apparently he knows the area quite well. Gave us some good pointers on how to minimize our wind and waves. So here we go. Wish us luck, guys.
Yeah, now the recording gets more calm. Probably can't hear because of the wind and everything, guys, but we got to get over to that island there, but I can't go sideways because we'll be side onto the waves. So I know this is slightly dangerous. However, she's a big boat and we know it. Just got to time through this. So
it's been quite the ride, guys. The road coming in was making me truck sick, and now the waves are getting me seasick. It's pretty rolling.
I don't care if you throw up as long as you keep paddling.
That's right. Just throw up overboard, eh? Yeah, so we're just sort of getting out of the waves now. I don't know, we've been here about half an hour on the water, Rob, would you say?
Yeah, we're going to have a nice little paddle for a bit, but we'll see how this goes. We might have to go to our campsite number 2.
Okay. Play it by ear. Oh, it's getting shallow here. So we're both starving. We had breakfast at like 8 o'clock this morning. It's now, what, 3 o'clock-ish? So we're just gonna have a quick stop here while it's not as windy in this little channel and just have a Cliff Bar. We brought the chocolate chip version. That should tie us over till we hopefully get to our campsite.
Yeah, I'm gonna hook this.
Which?
You're going too?
I don't know.
Something else jumped. There you go.
You gonna let him go, or?
Yeah. Not
Good,
bad.
nice fish.
Not too bad.
Okay, so we've reached the end of Archie Bay Inlet and we're about to go into Hideaway Lake. I'm just looking at this. It doesn't look so...
It's pretty hidden away. I don't see nothing. Apparently there's a
There's not supposed to be a portage, but what? We're gonna get around this corner. If there's a corner to get around. It's pretty small. Looks like it was chewed on by a beaver, doesn't it? That one end? Yeah, you can jump off the rocks. Are you getting out first? Whoops. You must be because you're backing in. I'm on my own here? Nice. All right. We made it to our campsite and we're just gonna hop out of the canoe. And the first things first, I think, is probably setting up something to make dinner, make our steaks. And we're both pretty hungry. What time is it? 7 o'clock?
It's 7:18.
Wow.
I said we get here at 7:20.
You did. Good perfect navigating, dear. All right. Time to get out of the canoe. All right, we are on land. Shall we take a little tour and see where we want to put our tent?
Sure.
And then while you're starting the dinner, I can set everything up.
Sure.
Tag team it?
Sure.
All right, let's go figure out where we want to sleep. Somebody left a grill complete with tongs. Oh, smells good in here. All right, that's probably where the thunderbox is. I think you gotta go to the left.
Yeah?
Oh. Nope, it's right there. I can see because there's a sign, the ladies and gents sign on the tree.
Which one's for man? Which one's for woman?
I guess if you don't want to see, you just not look. Not a very good path, but it'll do. Yeah, it's a better way. Good question. Let's go check it out. Why would there be a piece of ABS pipe out here? That's a little strange. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
With a... What's on the end of it? Duct tape?
Duct tape.
There's a lot of rock, so pegging down the tent probably isn't going to happen here. There's a spot right there which we could put the tent, but it looks like it's like kind of got a slope on all angles, so if it were to rain tonight we'd be pooled in water. So I don't think that's a good spot. I think I'm going to put it down here. Looks like we can peg in pretty good down there. So, and it's fairly flat down there right by the water. So I think that's where I'll put the tent.
Oh guys, I'm tired now. This is the part where you injure yourself when you're tired. I got the fire going on. Yeah, I'll just let that make some coals here. We'll do something simple tonight, steaks. What time we got here? We got about 8 o'clock, so I got about an hour of light left. So Jen's getting the tent all squared away, and I guess, yeah, I guess I'll start getting to making something here. So it's going to be steaks and peppers, I think. Yeah, we'll do the fancy meal tomorrow night.
Okay, tent is up. I'm just going to throw in all of our bedding and I guess you call it pump up the air mattress, and we will be done and ready. Rob's got an awesome fire going on here beside me, so I can't wait to get close to it because the bugs are biting me as I make this tent and bed up. So, all right, let's go finish the job.
So this is tri-tip. For those that have not tried tri-tip, you should. It's actually a really good cut of meat. A lot of flavor to it. This day and age, meat is getting so expensive, especially red meat. So it's a bit of a bang for the buck. This is I think I paid $12.99 a pound for this, and I know that's still not cheap, but it's got good marbling in it. So I'm gonna have this on the fire once that settles down. Got some asparagus, garlic. I'm going to put a bit of butter in the pan with that, and like I said, multiple videos. A good steak only needs salt and pepper. No judging people that use Montreal steak spice, but I think it's a waste if you're going to put that on a nice steak. You should taste the steak for how it is. But like if you have a cheap steak, yeah, marinate it and do whatever, but quality meat just needs salt and pepper. And along with that is some more grape juice. Well, we're running out of light. We can improvise here now. Crust on there.
Ooh, it's looking good.
Oh, I thought we had one stuck there for a second. Not too shabby. This is an MSR pot. I'm actually going to use this right on the coals. So what I'm going to do here is, hope you hold this, Jen. We're going to steam them a bit first, and then we're going to add the butter.
That is not butter. This is
Salt.
sesame seeds.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Fancy, eh?
Fancy dancies. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you, thank you. So in goes these. Now, you don't need a whole lot.
Just a smidge.
Just a smidge. Get it going. Plenty.
There's even garlic chunks in there.
There is. The bears will love us. So, yeah, when the steaks are there, these don't take very long, so I'll let it rest. And once they're tender, if there's any liquid at all, I'll throw off, but I'll put the butter in. And I'll put a little salt and pepper in there. We'll throw these at the very end, sesame seeds. And that'll be our asparagus.
Sounds done to me. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yummy.
That's what you're looking for. Still a little firm. Actually, maybe a little bit overdone. Not too bad. What do you want? We're camping.
It's camping food.
Okay. I'm gonna put this. Wow.
Take them off and we'll grab a plate.
Grab a plate.
Grab a plate.
You or me? I can't see nothing when you put it in my face.
All right, guys, we are completely out of light.
Yeah, well.
Serving up dinner.
This is the Blair Witch Supper Project. Rob, you're not in frame. Jen, you're not putting me in frame.
I can't see what I'm doing because I've got no light.
Jen thinks I'm a hobbit. I'm like 3 feet off the ground.
Well, I am 5'2" on a good day. And
why are you pointing that towards the camera?
Yeah, there we go.
All right. So Jen's supper up.
Yeah, and Rob's is coming next. And we're going to sit down and eat. And we're not going to film that part because it's too dark. Right?
Yep.
All right. We'll see you guys after dinner.
I actually technically could have cooked Jen's steak medium rare. She wouldn't know tonight.
Yeah, I would. It would taste different.
Right.
As I was fumbling.
Yeah.
As I was fumbling,
bumbling around with stuff I shouldn't be bumbling with.
I dumped my meal on the...
Oh, that one's okay. Oop, not anymore.
I dumped it on the ground. And my wine! Oh no! Aw. Shoot. I'm not too worried about cleanliness.
I'm trying to get the sand off of it.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
You're trying to be nice, are you?
I was trying to be nice to you.
Okay, well.
Well, that's the last time I cooked you a meal. You did. Look at beers around here tonight now.
I made a mess.
This is what we don't want to have happen in beer country.
All right. For any ladies out there, if you're ever in a bind and you put makeup on your face, I don't put a lot of makeup. I just put a little bit on my eyes, some mascara, eyeliner, and what do you call it?
I'm not a makeup guy. I'm supposed to know this.
Eyeshadow. And anyway, so if you don't have any makeup remover with you for some strange reason, like you're out in the bush and you forgot to pick some up, if you put a little bit of oil on what I have here is paper or toilet paper, but paper towel would work, or any sort of cloth-like material. You put a little oil on there and you wipe it off, and it actually does a really good job in a pinch. So
who would have thought you can season cast iron frying pans and your face?
my face is not seasoned. It is clean. Or now oily. But yeah, I've actually done this for the last few nights and it works great. And I got no breakouts, so I'm going to keep it up. For now anyway, until I remember to buy myself some makeup remover. So just wanted to give you guys a tip.
Well guys, it's about 10:30. We're going to head
Quarter to 11.
Well, man, we almost made it till 11. We are animals. Anyways, yeah, everything's cleaned up, ready for tomorrow. I got my little USB fan going on here. Hopefully it'll drown out some outside noises. Yeah, nice and comfortable. So hopefully we can get in some fish tomorrow. Maybe do a fry. I could have probably kept that one today. However, I just...
the largemouth bass?
Yeah, I don't know. Every time I catch one of those, it's always small. I don't know, they're supposed to be small. I'm by no means an expert. Anyways, we're going to get get some sleep here, and hopefully we can get into a pike or something tomorrow and have a nice fry up.
That would be nice.
It would. It's
Hopefully
going to be.
we got some good fish karma tomorrow.
Oh yeah, totally do.
Yeah.
It's going to be 29, so.
29 degrees.
Yeah. Wow. It's halfway through August. Let's enjoy this like it's the last day of summer.
Okay.
Anyways, have a
Get
good night,
some
everybody.
swimming done. Yes.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night. See you.